आप तो जानते हो कि मैं दुनिया भर का खाना खाता हूँ। आप जानते हो कि मैं इंडिया में बहुत जगह घूमा हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं आपको ऐसे आदमी से मिलाने वाला हूँ जिसने पूरे देश का दौरा किया है और हर जगह जाकर खाना खाया है। मैं हूँ दिल्ली में और जिस आदमी से मैं मिलने वाला हूँ उनका नाम है, नहीं, अब आ जाओ मेरे साथ। राहुल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन शो। बहुत खुशी हो गई, मुंह में
कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। when लास्ट टाइम आपने लास्ट टाइम रास्ते पर आकर कब खाया?
यहाँ 1-2 साल पहले
वाह।
इधर ही आया था।
इसी जगह पे
इधर ही आया। गोलगप्पा नहीं खाया था, अंदर खाया था।
अंदर गया था, लेकिन आपको आपको रास्ते पर खाने की बचपन में आदत थी नहीं थी?
हाँ है।
हैं?
टिक्की, आलू की टिक्की is my favorite. कुल्फी, आलू की टिक्की, all sorts of things. चाट.
Chaat.
My sister loves that.
Yeah.
And
So
that's
we
right.
come here because this place is really famous for chaat, and I'm hoping that we can eat some chaat together and
Okay.
chaat also. Little bit
Okay,
of
let's
chatting is
chat.
also a good idea. So मुंबई में हम इन्हें पानी पूरी कहते हैं, यहाँ दिल्ली में गोलगप्पे कहते हैं, बंगाल में पुचका कहते हैं। Have you ever tried pani puri?
No.
Never. So next time you come to Mumbai, we're going to try pani puri.
फर्क क्या है पानी पूरी में इसमें?
हमारे यहाँ बूंदी नहीं जाती, मूंग, आलू और चना जाता है, and the water is cold, बर्फ डाल तो बहुत अच्छा होता है। बट
अगली बार आऊँगा ट्राई करूँगा।
100% हम आपको बम्बई की भी पानी पूरी खिलाएंगे। आलू टिक्की बन रही है, आपको देखकर बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है यहाँ आज, एंड यू कैन सी दैट हैपनिंग। बट टेल मी, व्हाट आर योर oldest memories of food in Delhi? As a boy growing up in Delhi, you come for holidays.
Yeah. We used to go, पापा के साथ we used to go to Fujiya,
Okay.
which is a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, when I compare खाना मुंबई का और दिल्ली का, Delhi always seems to come up on number one on all North Indian sort of food.
But
But
chicken,
chicken,
kebab, the whole thing. आप
मैं तो खाऊंगा, लेकिन आप टेस्ट करो तो।
this I used to have when we were in boarding school.
हाँ,
There was a tuck shop there, and that's where I started to like aloo ki tikki.
आलू की टिक्की।
That was the only thing available, really.
Is this in Dune School, Dehradun?
But it was very good.
But this is the, you see, conceptually, and we had this conversation earlier, this is full of carbs, but delicious as hell, isn't it? गोलगप्पे हो गए, आलू टिक्की हो गई, typically दिल्ली, अब सामने जाते हैं, not too sweet, and we got छोले भटूरे. Correct? Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji. You are liking it. I can see you're liking this one.
I like वो उधर खाना चाहते हैं छोले भटूरे।
जैसे कहते हैं, जब आदमी खाना खा रहा है उसको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाहिए खाने
हाँ
पर। सॉरी, थोड़ा जगह दो प्लीज। अरे मेरे को ही धक्का दे रहे हो।
This धक्का मुक्की
I know. This is an interview which is going to be tougher than any political interview you've given.
Those are generally easy.
Those are easy, okay. Question. Fine tea or coffee?
Morning I have coffee, evening I have tea.
French desserts, Indian mithai.
Indian mithai.
Indian mithai, na? Do you prefer sweet foods or spicy foods?
Sweet.
Oh, the man after my own heart. Sweet food. Is there any politician who makes great food?
Lalu Yadav ji makes great food.
But you got to go to Patna for that.
Now he doesn't, but
Yeah.
even in Delhi.
आपने तो पूरे देश की यात्रा की है, आपने बहुत जगह खाना खाया होगा. If I was to ask you 3 top cuisines in the country, which you have eaten on your journey, what would you say?
I like generally South Indian food. I like Punjab. I like chole bhatura, their parathas.
We've just come from a trip from Amritsar and we have eaten kulchas on the road.
Near the Golden Temple.
Near the Golden Temple.
Whenever I go there, I get.
You get kulchas. The amount of ghee and butter that goes on to a kulcha is not good for my heart at least. But you're fitter than I am, so can we get? Yeah, please.
But the best cook among all of us is my mother.
Is she?
And my sister won't like it. But
she's
number 2.
She's number 2.
I'm number 3.
And number 3? Okay.
Distant number 3.
I'm not a bad cook, but I tend not to cook क्योंकि अकेले खाने में कुछ मजा नहीं आता. अरे बेदनी आलू. चलो शुरू करें खाना थोड़ा सा.
I learned to make that.
You learn to make this कहाँ?
एक सर्विसमैन हमारे दोस्त बने यात्रा पे.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने सिखाया.
अच्छा. I'm going to try some of this. You're, if I may use the word, fitness freak, aren't you?
No, I wouldn't say fitness freak. I'd say that I pay attention to my health and fitness a little bit.
Okay. Things I should learn from you.
I've got a rule that I'll spend an hour a day exercising.
1 hour a day. Maybe I should learn a few things, and maybe I'll look a little more like you. ऐसे नहीं कह सकता कि मैं काफ़ी मोटा था क्योंकि मैं अभी भी मोटा ही हूँ लेकिन नहीं I like this man.
नहीं
No.
आप मोटे नहीं हैं
लेकिन
आप हेल्दी कहते हैं
हेल्दी बच्चा
नहीं आप मोटे नहीं
नहीं मैंने लॉकडाउन में थोड़ा इट वाज अ बैड टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड थोड़ा डिप्रेशन में जाकर मैंने बहुत सारा खाना खाया बहुत मोटा हो गया था एंड आई लॉस्ट 20 kilos 21.5 kilos to be exact by just controlling quantities of food और मैंने ज़्यादा करके wheat और मैदा छोड़ दिया. But if I was to ask you, what is your favorite dish?
I mean tandoori chicken
हाँ.
मोती महल
And tandoori chicken is healthy as well. This.
butter chicken
It's my favorite of all time.
You're not eating much, huh? You're making me eat a lot.
Wait, you
clever.
you
No
can
wonder you're losing weight.
you can afford to eat. I'm used. Oh God, he's caught me out.
So-
what can I say? हाँ.
Tell me about when you were young. What was the food like?
So you know, I come from a very small community. Oh my God. Thank you. That's look at this. I come from a small community in Maharashtra. It's called the Pathare Prabhus, and we are a Mumbai community, and our food is predominantly seafood because we are a coastal people. But I have been passionate about eating, cooking, and just generally discovering food for a very long time. Nothing like a good solid lassi. They say that bachelors eat terrible food at home. I'm unmarried. You're yet to be married. I know everybody's asked you this question, and I will not ask you this question. But is it who cooks at home for you?
I live separately.
Okay,
My sister lives separately and my mother lives separately.
separately. Okay.
So it's either I go to my mom's house or I go to my sister's house for the most part.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I eat in my house.
And really late at night, you come back from a long day at work. What would you do?
I just
12 baje
I make myself
ek-
omelette or something.
Okay, an omelette. Makes an omelette. I do burjis. So
I can do that.
You can do burji. Yeah. So
All sorts of eggs and stuff.
eggs is it's the greatest.
My nephew will tell you I make one of the best omelettes.
Does he? Yeah.
I've always heard about Bombay street food culture and stuff like that. Never really had the chance to spend some time exploring it.
My word to you, the next time you come, we will take you to 2-3 really nice places. We've got you a little street food from Mumbai. What Mumbai is iconically known for, which is a vada pav. And I've flown it all the way from Mumbai for you. Can we get the phone? Yeah.
So So this is just pure carbohydrate.
It's carbohydrate upon carbohydrate upon carbohydrate. It's the tastiest.
Very good.
Is it nice, no? I like the way he's eating. We've had lots of guests on this show, and I must say, very few eat as passionately as you do. Are you hungry for more?
I'm not gonna have dinner, sir.
No, you're having dinner with me.
No, but I'm not gonna have
Dinner at home.
dinner at home.
So let's stuff ourselves. Let's fill our faces right now. और मैं पुरानी दिल्ली जाना चाहता हूँ. पुरानी दिल्ली का खाना is iconic. सब बात करते हैं. And I think we should go there because the chicken tikka and the tandoori chicken is very good. Besides the chicken white, and I can now rattle the whole menu off in front of you right now.
Is that one of your favorite places?
It is. It is one of my favorite places. I would like to go there and let's go eat with you. जाए क्या? Okay.
Look, I have to say this.
You just won the whole of Mumbai over.
That's number one and that's number two.
Okay. Number one vada pav.
Number one, vada pav.
Number two, chole bhature. Chole bhature.
And number three,
And number four. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं पुरानी दिल्ली में. जगह का नाम है अल जवाहर और अल जवाहर की कहानी बहुत अच्छी है. आप बताओ या मैं बताऊं?
आप बताइए.
मैं बताऊं तो अल जवाहर 1948 में शुरुआत हुआ इस रेस्टोरेंट का. एंड राहुल ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू inaugurated this place and it is named after him. And because Rahul said he loves tandoori chicken, healthy tandoori chicken, I brought you here. Yeah, please start. लेकिन राहुल आपने thank you जी. And you know this man is into health because he's taken the best piece, which is the healthier.
Can I get some of this?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. So, Rahul, while we were driving here, you said something very interesting about this area, about the fact that it is like living history.
Thinking about what this place would have been a couple of hundred years ago. And I think the food and the drinks and stuff that we serve here would probably have been served 200-300 years ago.
Absolutely.
I'm sure people ate that a couple hundred years ago.
Some form of this
Yeah.
cooked on a on a fire. The history with tandoor itself, which sort of comes from the Afghanistan heritage, but only meant for breads.
Acha.
It's only when during partition that the Punjabis came and settled in Delhi that they decided to put a chicken inside the tandoor and see what happens to it. And look what they did. But you're right. This area, even 500 years ago, was probably as crowded. What do you think of the chicken?
Excellent.
You like spicy
Very
food? It's quite spicy, isn't it?
Reasonable. I can't eat too much, but this is very good.
This is one of my favorite forms of kebab. This mutton seekh kebab.
Can I have half?
Yeah, we'll have half one. Thank you. Have you ever wished that you could, quietly come, walk down these streets and eat food?
No, I can be reasonably. It can be reasonably quiet if I do it carefully. I can be reasonably quiet. Yeah.
But do you ever कभी होता है ऐसा कि निकल गए थोड़ा बाहर खाना खाने के लिए?
I do it often.
Yeah, eating out.
There's a pizza restaurant near Priya Cinema Netta, like
Okay.
my sister mother also. Then Swagat, Sagar.
Yes, yes.
So do the restaurants get a big boost when you do your show?
Some do. Some do.
Yeah. Do they write thank you and saying very good?
Yeah, this a lot of people do. But there's one fellow who I have gone 3-4 times. He comes to the table, and I find that the sort of Chile, these kind of places are far more generous than they are. The slightly fancy ones. I've had them saying, "Sorry, boss, you came and this thing happened and we tripled up with this. Here's the bill." I'm happy to pay the bill.
This is the famous white chicken.
I have been wanting to come to Purani Delhi for a long time, but I think the opportunity to eating over here with you has been quite memorable, if I may say so.
No, it's been quite nice coming with you. This is very good.
Isn't it?
Very good.
They're very famous for it. अभी हम थोड़ा आराम से खाने की कोशिश करने वाले हैं क्योंकि खाना बहुत है, भीड़ भी काफ़ी है और अगर हमें चांस मिला तो सामने जाकर हम थोड़ा सा मीठा शरबत पीते हैं. बिल्कुल. फैंटास्टिक.
We're getting it here.
We're getting it here.
Let's go there, no?
I'll tell you what, camera crew go there and we'll try and come there. Huh?
Let's try. No.
I think we should go.
Relax. Go on. It's all under control. आस्ते ब्रदर भैया वो शरबत वाली जगह जाना Okay, thank you, brother. I see you got a little nervous there.
I got very nervous over there. Suddenly, I'm not used to this kind of stuff, man. Oh God. Cheers. My heart is still pounding. Please, I'm used to this. You look completely unfazed.
They're very good.
This is very nice. Yeah.
What is it? Watermelon?
So there's watermelon. I think there's rose syrup, milk. It's called Mohabbat Ka Sharbat. Rahul, first of all, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. बहुत मजा आ गया. थोड़ा डर गया था भीड़ देख के, लेकिन भीड़ अपनी. शरबत है.
धक्का लगा आपको थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा धक्का लगा. डर भी गया मैं, लेकिन ये प्यार है और ये मोहब्बत है और ये मोहब्बत का शरबत है.
नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी
वाह. नफरत की बाजार में
और हम सबको खोलनी चाहिए.
हम सबको खोलनी चाहिए. एब्सोल्युटली.
नफरत को मिटा देना चाहिए और सबको मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी चाहिए.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
लवली टू सी यू. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग.
तो अगर आपको ये शो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि
खाने में क्या है.
करेक्ट. यस.
These guys.
शाही टुकड़ा. शाही टुकड़ा इज अगेन carbs. It's fried bread.
What was your favorite food amongst all the?
What do you ate today?
I like the sharbat. I like
Mohabbat ka sharbat.
Yeah, no, it's very good. I've never had it with watermelon. I like the white chicken.
Very nice.
I didn't eat much, but I like the white chicken. I like the chole bhature.
Very good. And I saw you like the vada pav also.
I like the vada pav.
Yeah.
He walloped a lot of food. Khatam ho gaya. That was great. Yeah, it was great.
Oh,
Now you will also have to start eating a lot more on the show.
yeah, I will. But then I'll have to work out and exercise like this man does because that's where it is.
Do come work out with us.
Really?
Come and work out one day with me.
Okay. I'll take you up on this. It will be great.
Quite a bicep.
No, I do jiu-jitsu. I do martial arts.
And CrossFit and
I do a little bit of weight training with martial arts mainly.
Also, Kunal, how is this experience of you
My,
through the crowd?
as he said, you look very frightened, and I was a bit frightened.
So I know him for about what 12 years now. I can understand how frightened.
Panicked, yeah.
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए
खाने को क्या है?
खाने में क्या है.
खाने में क्या है? Okay, sorry. Do it again.
Again and go.
खाने में क्या है?